Be the best version of yourself at the Beantown. Welcome to Harrington Housing Brighton Residence, Boston. The wonderful property offers ensuite and non-ensuite with comfortable bed lines, desk lamps, nightstands, and a wardrobe to keep your belongings. The rooms also come with a television set where you can binge watch your favorite TV shows with high-speed Wi-Fi. Additionally, if you are a fitness enthusiast, then Harrington offers well-equipped gym facilities. There are many awesome amenities such as excellent co-working spaces where you can be productive with your residents, an infinity pool, where you can swim your worries away, and a lounge with a rooftop view. Also, you don't have to worry about anything, be it laundry or security. With the property laundry services and 24/7 on-site team, you can feel at home. Harrington offers all the comfort you need with a well-connected network and is just a drive away from Harvard Business School. The property is a perfect match for you. It is surrounded by amazing restaurants like Flavor Boom, Watertown, and Tasca Restaurant, which can be easily reached via the closest bus stop, Market St. Santola. Live your desired life at Harrington Housing and secure your stop at amberstudent.com.